is Tom Wyka. I'm running for Congress, New Jersey's District 11. I just want to thank Roger for getting everybody out here today. For me and Len. Len's running for council in West Caldwell. Thanks, Roger. It's like a party.
It's a great day for democracy when a qualified candidate can run versus someone who thinks they belong in office through birthright.
Amen, brother. What's the difference between you and your opponent?
Well, for one thing, as far as personal wealth is concerned, this man is worth about $25 million, and I don't think he can relate to the average person and the challenge that they have in life. The next thing is that he's taken thousands and thousands of dollars from corporations. I mean, even all the personal wealth that he has. I work for Roche Pharmaceuticals, and my relationship with Roche is pretty straightforward. I work a full week and they pay me. It's Rodney Frelinghuysen's relationship with Roche Pharmaceuticals you have to really start worrying about. A documentary that just came out called The Big Buy, How Tom DeLay Stole Congress. Ronnie Earl said when it was time to find out whether or not he really wanted to invite Tom DeLay, he had a very good Texas saying. It was, "This needs doing." That's exactly why I'm running for Congress. This needs doing.
The reason I came out here is because I've just had enough. We're out here supporting Tom Wyka, who's running for Congress in the 11th District, and Len Luciano, who's running for council in West Caldwell, because we've had enough. It's time for some change.
And enough of what?
Well, just of everything, really, with corrupt politicians, and high taxes, and high gas prices, you know, and low accountability.
I think what's really great about starting like this is that you're not starting with big money, you're not starting with a big name or a big bond. You're just basically showing people that you want to make things different.